Beyond Meat is one of the most popular plant-based meat alternative brands. The brand describes their products as packed with flavor, not cholesterol, and claims that meat made from plants is the better-for-you option. The Beyond Meat burger is a plant-based alternative to traditional beef burgers, designed to mimic the taste, texture, and appearance of meat. It is made primarily from pea protein. It's part of a movement towards more sustainable and cruelty-free food options, appealing to vegetarians, vegans, and meat eaters seeking environmentally friendly choices. Analyzing the Beyond Meat burger from a food science perspective allows us to delve deeper into the formulation, texture, taste, and shelf life properties of the product. Achieving the texture of meat without using animal products is a significant challenge in food science. Beyond Meat uses pea protein isolate as the primary protein source, which when combined with fats and binders, can give a mouthfeel similar to that of beef. Methylcellulose, a common food thickener and stabilizer, helps maintain the burger's structure during cooking. Beyond Meat uses beet juice extract for color, giving the raw product a pinkish-red hue reminiscent of beef. Upon cooking, the color changes to resemble a cooked beef patty. Pomegranate powder and juice might also play a role in color stabilization. Real meat flavor comes from a combination of amino acids, sugars, and fats undergoing Maillard reactions when cooked. Replicating this in plant-based products is challenging. Natural flavors in the ingredient list play a crucial role in mimicking the taste of meat. These flavors might be derived from plants or fermented products designed to capture the essence of meatiness. Apple extract helps maintain the burger's red color and can contribute a hint of sweetness, enhancing the perception of a juicy burger. A juicy burger requires moisture retention. Ingredients like potato starch can help retain water during the cooking process, preventing the patty from becoming too dry. Vinegar and lemon juice concentrates serve dual purposes: flavor enhancement and preservation. Their acidic nature can help prevent spoilage and extend shelf life. Beyond Meat burgers, like many plant-based foods, can be susceptible to oxidative rancidity due to their fat content. Sunflower lecithin acts as an emulsifier, ensuring consistent texture and potentially protecting against oxidation. From a food science viewpoint, the Beyond Meat burger is a fascinating blend of ingredients working in harmony to replicate the sensory experience of beef. The science behind it is a testament to the advancements in food technology and formulation. Thanks for journeying with us through the fascinating world of food science today. If you have questions or crave more insights, drop a comment below. Remember to subscribe for more delectable deep dives. Stay curious and eat wisely.